Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefano Bernardini. In this video we will see how to create a plugin with the XML SDK. In the last tutorial we created this repository where you can find this tutorial in the upper corner of the video. Now we will create based on this repository a new project that is the plugin of OpenAI. So let's start. First we need this readme. I need to invoke this command in the prompt. So let's invoke this command. Okay, I take this command from the documentation. Okay, here. Okay, so artifact id, my OpenAI, and okay, perfect. This command scaffold the project. Okay, so here I can find this new project, so I can simply import this project in the open workspace. So let's open project and let's okay, import this one, okay, perfect. Let's start with create and install the plugin to understand if everything is okay. So my OpenAI clean install. Okay, there is a problem because I need to add something in the POM. So I need to add this to the POM. Okay, at the very end, but inside the project XML. Okay, I don't want this unit part to make this tutorial simple, so I simply delete. Okay, let's redo the maven command. Okay, perfect. So now I can modify some stuff. For example, okay, my OpenAI Mule extension, maybe let's start with 1.0.0, smart connector, my OpenAI connector, the description, for example, a connector in order to invoke some OpenAI API in simple mode. Okay, so this is the version. Okay, and then I can also create a new generic project where I can import the plugin. Okay, so if I need to import the plugin, I can go to the dependency and import the version. So for example, this is the version. Okay, here dependency, okay, I don't need the packaging. I need the version, group ID, it's okay, this is okay, and the classifier. Okay, let's see if everything is okay. Okay, I think okay, snapshot 1.0 snapshot, so I have to rebuild because I modified to 1.0.0. Okay, okay, success, perfect. So in the generic now it's 1.0.0. Okay, maybe I can also. Okay, let's move to 1.0.1. Okay, it's simple. Okay, this is smart connector. I don't like this smart connector. I want something different. Okay, this is the template. So okay, I can use this one. Okay, so now I can modify this connector. So let's open this one, the extension. Okay, the name hello smart connector. Maybe I can call him my OpenAI connector. I can create two operations. The first is text completion. The second is image, create image. Okay, and the description, for example, I can also see the documentation of OpenAI, which are complete, create some other response. Okay, so this is the description of this plugin, and while the image, okay, create an image given a prompt. Okay, okay, so let's modify the version in order to understand if everything is okay. Let's oh, sorry, module. Okay, 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 maybe this one invoke this one. So if I rename it, I have to set another name, but I can also delete just to understand if everything is okay. Let's clean. Okay, but I don't need it, so I can also delete it. Okay, so let's check if everything it's okay. Okay, so this is version 0.2. Okay, so invoke 1.0.2. okay, my OpenAI connector, perfect, my OpenAI connector, and maybe I don't want the connector here, but this image, create image, maybe it's better with a space. So again, I can also put a text completion, create image. Okay, I can put okay. So in order to insert something, I simply need to take the code from here. Okay. So for example, I need the configuration. No, I need this one, the request configuration. Okay, so I simply take this one, okay, and copy here before the operation. Okay, okay, but I also need to import something on the POM side. For example, I need to import the HTTP connector. So I take this dependency and I put in the POM of my extension. Okay, the dependency here. Okay, and then I also need the namespace. I simply take the namespace from here. Okay, so I need this one. I need this, the namespace, this one. Okay, and I also need the schema location. The schema location HTTP here. Okay, schema location, let's put here. Okay, perfect. So let's check if everything is okay. I can simply make a new clean install. Okay, perfect. Now I can also copy and paste the other part of this. So first I need for the completion the transformation and the request. So I need to copy the transform. Let's pick up a transform first. So text completion inside the body. I don't need this set payload, and okay, just need this. As you can see, there is an error with this he transform. Okay, I need to insert again the prefix and the namespace. So I simply go here. The prefix he where is okay, this is the he. Okay, let's put here. Okay, and also the schema location. The schema location of EE is this one, EE core and EE XSD. Okay, let's simply put here. Okay, let's see if everything is okay. It's a little bit difficult because I don't have any visual indication, so I can run every now and then the clean install. Okay, they say I need this plugin. Okay, I can take this plugin I think from my readme or from the documentation, I think. EE. Okay, this is the dependency I need in order to use this XSD. Okay, so I can put this in the POM. Okay, dependency, I think here it's pretty fine. Dependency provided scope. I just see that this version it's the right one for me. Okay, for 4.2.1. so let's check if everything is okay. Okay, they say to me that I need to set the type of my connector because I use this component. So I need to select premium certified or select. So for me, this connector is category select. It's not a pay plugin. It's a general purpose, just an example in order to understand how can I create a plugin. So I simply go here and I set the category select. But if you want to make your plugin a pay plugin, you can use premium. Okay, so let's understand if everything is okay now. Okay, perfect. So I insert the transform. Now I need to insert the HTTP request. Okay, so I can take this one, okay. I can also take this transform. Okay, and where I am, I'm here. And so this is the transform, then there is the request. Okay, and let's check if everything is okay again. I think it's okay, but I need to set something. For example, I don't want maybe I can set all this information, but I want this information parametric, so I can insert parameters. In order to understand how to set the parameters, let's search for parameters. This is the way I can insert parameter. I want a string parameter, for example this one. Okay, so my parameter is the prompt. So inside the operation, before the body, I can insert a parameter. My parameters is the prompt. Okay, so here I can insert the prompt. I prefer lowercase. Okay, and I don't need to personalize all this information. Maybe I can also set this information, but for now it's okay. And I also need to set and personalize these parts, but I don't want as a parameter of my operation. I want a parameter, a global parameter. Okay, so I can set as a property. So this is the property. Okay, property. I simply need to insert a property tag before operation. Okay, before operation. Okay, so I can insert this. My parameter is the API key. Okay, so here instead of this one, I can simply insert the API key. Okay, let's check if everything is okay. Let's change the version number. Oh, let's understand if everything is okay. Perfect. So now I need to change the version in the generic in order to use it. As you can see, the version changed. Let's see if everything. As you can see, this is obsolete, so I can simply remove and take this one. We also updated the name, so image, create image. But now I need the text completion. As you can see, there is a prompt and the connector configuration where I can put the API key. Okay, here I can import the API key, and here I can insert the prompt. For example, I can take the prompt from the query parameter. I need to stop it. So attributes query. Okay, I don't have any attribute because I need to insert at least a listener. Pretty easy configuration, standard. This is text. Okay, so now I have the query parameters. For example, query. Okay, so thanks to this plugin, I don't need to worry about any other things except the prompt. Okay, the plugin in this way use only, I think, the GPT 3.5 turbo, so need to worry about anything. Okay, so let's check if everything is okay. So let's invoke the text. What is the capital of China? It's okay. Unauthorized. So say yes, because I need to change the OpenAI API key. I need to go to the OpenAI API keys, and I need to create a new API key, temp tutorial. Okay, at the end of the video I will delete this key, so don't worry, be happy. Okay, this is the key. Okay, let's rerun. Okay, so we are ready to invoke again. Okay, the capital of China is Beijing. Okay, perfect. So let's do also the other operation. Now we are very speedy because all the stuff is just created. So let's take all this information from here. So transform, and I think all this request. So I simply take this and put in here. So inside the payload, inside the body. Sorry. Okay. Again, I need the API key is on at the global level, so I don't need to create again. I need to create this parameter. Okay. Parameter is before the body. Okay. So I need this one before the body. Okay. So here. Prompt. Okay. I can call it prompt. Prompt vars prompt. Okay, all the other information, I don't want to personalize all that information because I want to use DALL-E free. Okay, and the size is this. I can also make a variable for this one, but I don't want at this time. The authorization is vars API key. Okay, so let's check. Let's change the version number and let's rerun the clean install. Okay. They don't like out type. I don't know why. At least it's not my word, so I simply remove. Okay. If you have problem with meme type, you can also try to understand why, but at the moment I don't need to set this one. Okay, so the plugin 1.0.4. okay, let's select okay, let's simply change the version number also in the generic. My OpenAI. Okay, perfect. Test completion, it's okay. So let's create also the this new listener. Okay, this one is text. Get text, while this one is I think image. Get image. So I can again use the attribute quite parameters. Okay, and I think we are ready because the API key is just ready. So let's check if everything is okay. Okay, so let's understand if it's okay. I think what is the name? Image. Okay, image. A very gangsta ICT consultant. Okay, let's check if everything is okay. It's the same flow of the previous video, so we don't have any problem with this. Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you. That's all for now. Please, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you to the next video. Bye.